annoying. Wait, is this on? Oh my god! How do I get the... I want to see the chat. Which one's which? I'm gonna delete that one. It is that one. Yeah! Cool. How do I get a link? Where? Actually, I could just get it from YouTube. My genius. Share. Copy. Discord. I'm just gonna ping everyone. Live once more. Send. Cool. Well, pray that works. More shenanigans and shenanigans. What was I doing last time? Last time I streamed, I was working kind of on the same game, but I decided to make it 3D because I prefer that. Let's see if this even works. Yeah, look at him go. Can bro move? Okay. I think I know why. Damage. Enemy. Oh, why can't bro move? Show an already declared variable line 33 in a different class. What? Oh. Fuck it. Yeah! Line 33. Oh, yep. Easy fix. Ugh. Cool. He has 1 health. He does. Speed of 4.5. Oh, this is the gnome. Yeah. I want that. Let's do 1.5. Change walk to run, I think it is. Nope, it's walk. Why couldn't bro move? Can move equals true, yeah. Oh! Call track. Call method, yep. Mushroom man. There's nothing saying that the animation is done. There we go. Now bro can move freely and annoy me. Very slow. Very, very, very slow. Can I fix that? Can I change the stream settings as I'm streaming? I just realized OBS is very low quality. Why is it set so low quality? Can I? Yeah, I can't. Oh well. I'll fix it next time. Oh, I have to speed up the dude. So let's see his walk. Yeah, look at that. That is so slow. Do you reckon I could... Can I... Is there anything I can do, like, squish it? Nah. That won't work. Harm. Maybe I just keep them slow as crap, but just have them be really tanky. That could work. Let's have 5 shots. Dex damage doesn't really matter. Sweet. Right. Open widget. What? confusing. Freaky. Yep. I want them to have like a spore attack. So they kind of go like, wait, no, wrong animation. So they go like. How do I want to do that? I was thinking of having like pellets, like shoot around. Do I want to be 3D? I could just use a bowl. Yeah, let's do that. Objects. Radio. Player. Weapons. Objects. That's where the bullets are kept. What game am I making? That's a good question. I'm making a pretty epic and awesome game, which you should wishlist. I guess if you play like Vampire Survivors, imagine that, but if it was like really crap. So, essentially, the player has, I guess, like 4 items, and there's kind of like a minor, and then like a stronger version of each, kind of. So you got melee, and then what is it? Melee and ranged. So you got your fists or a pistol, and then there's an upgraded version, which is like these boxing gloves, or I don't know, maybe like an AR or something stronger. The game is quite literally cool. It's super, what is it? Super epic video game on Steam. But, what is it? The whole premise of the game is like as you're playing, you can get like upgrades and things, and just everything is procedurally generated, even the upgrades. Which in the old version of this, I did do that, but I need to redo it because I thought 3D was just better. It looks so stupid. What am I doing? Oh, hell yeah. Get it. And there's also the main game called Soul Machine, which I don't know if it's working, but I put like a little thing. Where is it? How do I show it with my mouse? Like, right. Yeah. There we go. Soul Machine's the main game. That's like the big one. I'm working on a video for that, but it's been a while. It's supposed to be out at like... I just realized I've been working on that game for 2 years now. I should have done I've been working on my game for 2 years video, you know. But, oh well. Alright, farewell. Thank you. Hello. Oh, bread yum. No way. It's the goat. Hello world print. I should actually. Oh no, it needs an underscore. Alright, spore. That's what I was making. Bullets. Scene. 3Ds. No. Actually, how do I want to do this? Yeah. Spores. Mesh. Let's add a ball. Capsule. Sphere. Goated. Segments. Let's do 32 by 16. Actually, no, we can get much lower than that. Go 8 by 16. Oh, what's that? 1, 2. 8, 4. 8, 3. Ah, there we go. 8, 3 is what I wanted. Mesh. Go on scripts. I need a material. We'll just do... Let's make it a white ball. Actually, no. Let's make it kind of like a purplish. Yeah, that's good enough. Now, how big is that? I just realized it's... Yeah, that is big. Actually, let's keep it big, but I'll do half the size. So that's 0.25 by 0.5. Yeah. Fuck off. I'm up in the thing for pet testing. 0.75. Remember that. essentially no delay. There we go. This is running really fine for all the bullets, I have to admit. Do they still despawn? I hope so. I honestly expected that just to tank the frames, but not. And spores. Shape. Oh, actually, no, I could do an area cast. Oh, no, cast just an area. Damage area. Collision shape. Just get another sphere. And shrink it. 0.25. Now, on body entered. Make it so it only detects player. Oh, but I want it to pop if it touches something bad. So, nah, I'm not gonna do it. If body equals global dot player pass. Let's do that for now. Okay, that worked. And yeah, cool. In that case, we'll get player do dot underscore hurt. Let's do damage equals. Player's got 10 health. We'll just do 1. Actually, no. This is probably a heavyish attack. Let's do 10. Yeah, 10 times global dot enemy buffs. What was damage boost? That's it. Come on, boom. Yep, that should work. So now if I walk into it. Oh wait, I have 10. Yeah, why did I do? Yeah, no. Let's do 1. Sweet. And of course, we'll then just queue free. Now if I walk into it, I take damage, and yep, it works. Now let's add a flash. I want to add a flash effect. Let's also fix that. It was 0.75, I think it was. Oh. Now, give me that. What the? How do I want to do this? Actually, assets, materials. I'll just create a random one on its own. Hit flash. Flash will be unshaded. Do I want it to be red or white? I think I'll flash red. I mean white. Yeah. And then up here, create that. Hurt far. Material save equals mesh. Just dump that there. Mesh dot material override. Yep. See, I actually just always cackle when this song comes on. It's so goofy sounding. Alright. Await get tree dot. What do I want to call it? Create timer. That's it. We'll do 0.25 dot timeout. Then nope. Var. What was it? That's it. Mesh dot material override equals. Wait, no, this won't work, will it? I should probably use in the surface material override. Yes, because I can just do this. So I can do that, and then material save, which also means dot get Surface override material 0. And then grab that. Hit flash. Oh, that should work. Go away. That didn't work. Why did that not work? Move flash. Dot set surface material right here flash. Oh wait, I know why it didn't work. Cause that and that, you know, two different things. If I get rid of that, still looks the same, and that's using the right thing. Which also means, boom. Yeah. I also want that to be quicker. That was, yeah, it was way too long, I think. Cool. Now I want to add that hit flash to everything. So let's go to the mimic. Damage. Let's get room. Mesh. Oh, actually, because it's called mesh, I can just copy that. Do that, and then just boom. Sweet. Oh. Material save. Oh, yeah. Mesh dot get. Nope. Surface override material 0. There. Now I'll copy that. Actually, where did I put that? There. There we go. Yep, it's gonna argue, but oh well. Do that. Mesh. Boom. And Mushroom Man. And hit flash. Sweet. Now they all... Yeah! And so does the player. Cool. Now I want Mushroom Man to shoot at them spores. I could do that through... I could do the angle of the spores through... ooh. Do I want to do it like that? Okay, I'm thinking either just putting like just some little objects, marker objects, just like here, 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 and some in between. And then just for looping through all of them and just spawning the spores in the direction. Or doing fancy math and like sort of looping a certain amount of time. So if I have 2, it's just going to 1, 2. If I do 3, it's going to like 1, 2, 3. And, you know, like spread them out evenly around the circle. So that way I can, you know, I can buff these dudes if I want. It's like it'd be like 120 and there'll just be a ring of spores. I can't be fucked doing that, so I won't. Spore points. Marker. Let's put it here. No, I gotta get its... Where's its little negative blue? That's its negative blue there. Yep, good. 1, 2. Copy that. Put that to Y. Nope. Yep. Yeah. Oh, that's... No. I gotta divide 2. Divide 2. 45. There we go. Why is... Oh, I grabbed the wrong thing. There we go. Control D. That's now 0. That is now times 2. And that is now 90. Positive or negative? Yep, that was correct. As much of a ring, but oh well. Times 1.5. Nope. 2. Yep, okay, that was right. And that's... Where's this supposed to go? Oh, it's another by 2. Yeah. This is very boring. Jesus Christ. I should have done the math one, though. At least it would have been fun. Oh, but I know it's going to work, so well. Control D. That is now... Nope. That is now 0. That is now times 2. That seems very far out. Oh, no. No, that's right. Ooh. This song is so, like... This song is deceptively evil, I'm telling you. That is nothing. That is times 2. That's 0. Oh, finally it is done. Divided by 2. Negative. There we go. Looks... Oh. 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 I don't like the shape that I saw in that, but I can't do anything about that. Let's put that... Let's do 0.5. There we go. 4 points. Attack. 4 in sport points dot get children. Oh, whoops. And now let's get... Crap, where'd I save the... There they are, spores. Preload. No. Wait. Yes. No. Var new spore equals dot instantiate. New spore dot global position is equal to I dot globe. Oh no. Oh yeah, global position. There we go. And now get tree dot root dot add child new spore. And I need the bullet. I want the bullet code. Spore. Ooh. Press a button. There we go. Let's have them be stupidly slow. Yeah. Direction. Direction. Yes. Where was that? That's right. They have a direction object. Direction. Then standard bullet. I'm just gonna copy it. Paste. I love when that doesn't work for some reason. Copy. Paste. 3D. Yeah, that's good enough. Is that along the negative? That isn't. Will that even work? Where are they going? Oh, yeah, that's following along the wrong direction, so that needs to be negative. There we go. Dot global rotation equals to I dot global rotation. Copy that and new track on the animation. Where's the lowest? I want the lowest point. About there. Move that a bit. Let's try that. Let's get rid of this one. And let's change their shape cast. Because I don't want it to just be in front, because otherwise the player can't really dodge that. So let's sort of be a cylinder. And let's... Oh, come on. 0.5. Can I just move it with the mouse? No? God, I hate that. Height, about yeah. 0.7, and the radius to be, oh yeah, 2. I like radius of 2. So let's now move the player away and let's see what they do. So stupid looking. Oh. Oh, we are getting errors. Thank God. Is inside tree is... What? Oh. It's easy. There we go. Alright, will this work? Oh, it dies immediately. Oh! Yeah. That's easy. LF body does not equal parent. And then var parent node 3D. Mushroom man. New spore dot parent equals self. So now, hell yeah, this is sick. Very, very, very fucking annoying. Oh my God, I can see this being very troublesome. I like that. Very, very spory. Look at that. Look at the mess they've made. Now I want them to pop randomly. I don't want them to all stay alive and, you know, kind of have that big ring where you just see them disappear. So let's do funk underscore ready. What song is playing? Let's restart it. We are not on an elevator. This is more like it. Oh yeah. Alright. Standard bullet. Copy that. And let's do this to be rand I range from 2 seconds to 5 seconds, I reckon. So now yeah, there we go. I might up it actually. I might do 5 to 10. No. Yeah, 5 to 9. Just that extra second counts. Just because just to not be near them, but yeah, I think they have a small radius. So I might up that to like 8. Oh my God. That might be devious. Look at that. Can that hurt me from up here? I don't think it can. Oh! Okay. The table's blocking me. Oh yeah, you can use like the objects as it's like defense. That's pretty cool. These dudes are pretty strong. I like that. I like the little balls that are behind this guy. Okay, I might have a little like gooey pop particle I might make. Not right now though, because that doesn't matter too much. Alright, let's just slap in a bunch of the enemies and see how they behave. Let's just throw in a bunch of the gnomes. And let's throw in another mushroom man. Let's throw in a few. And a few mimics. Let's see how this goes. Ugh. Go away. Dude, look at them following. Dude, look at the mimics in the background. Ooh. Okay, they're very slow. There's not a lot of fast enemies. I might make these dudes much faster, because look at this. Oh, that's right. I accidentally made them stupidly slow. They're not supposed to be that slow. Yeah, look at that. 0.5. Jesus. That was supposed to be like 2.5. Like, they're supposed to be slightly faster than the player walking. Yeah, that's something now. Okay, the gnomes are actually really dangerous. Okay. I love the mimic attack. They like stretch go. Surprisingly, these balls are pretty easy to dodge. I don't know if that's just the camera angle, but I don't know. I like that. I like that a lot, actually. Okay. With some more variety in the enemies, a little bit faster. I reckon that could be decent. Yeah. I still got a bunch lined up from the old sprite sheet. So, what do we have? I need evil skeleton. I might just have that just box you. Got a goblin. I might give them a bow. What's next in the forest levels? We got the bee. I could have the bee being pretty fast. I also want to up the fire rate of the gun. I think its current time is genuinely just crap. Oh, but there was that upgrade thing I mentioned. Still, it's 0.5. I think 0.5 is decent enough. Oh! I fucking hate the gnomes. I need a crosshair. I think that's what I might do now, actually, is a cross... Nah. Okay, now what do I want? I could have... What? Where was that thing? There we go. I could have like a plus, just your basic plus, or line dash line. Or maybe even like that. Maybe even just a dot. A dot could work. Do I want just a dot? No, I don't. That is actually arse. Let's pause it disappearing. Yes, actually, I think they are. Cause let's see. Yeah, they only stay alive if it touches it, like the main mushroom. I think I'll leave that. Using other enemies as a shield is kind of funny. I will add like a particle so they kind of go like when they pop. But yeah, for now, I'm just gonna leave it like that. I kind of like that. Now, let's see. Let's get it into a square. Let's do 256. There we go. Yeah, I'm kind of fucking just a ball. Wait, no, square. There we go. Let's see how the ball goes. Good old ball method. Cross hair. Coarse hair. HUD textures. Where's the file? Oh, there it is. HUD. Control. Texture. Rect. Crosshair. Middle. And let's make that much smaller. Layout. Transform. Here it is. Oh, I don't want to do that. Can I recenter it? I can't. That is so frustrating. Okay, I'll just have to do that. How smells that? I think that's good enough. Oh. Oh, what? I'm white. Why am I white? What? That's easy enough to do. Var hit flashed ball equals false if not hit flashed. And hit flash equals true. Yep. No. What on earth? Oh, I know what it is. It's this. They're attacking me too fast. There we go. Whoops. How do I fix that? Oh, la, 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 la. That's annoying. I suppose I could just do this. Actually, no. I'm going to get rid of that and put this on the ready. And then leave material saved up here. Where would I put it? Let's put it here. Along with hit flashed. Yep, that should do the trick. Oh, yep, don't get it. Oh! Oh yeah, that definitely worked. But does that mean that can happen to the enemies as well? That glitch. That's annoying. Oh wait, I just realized I don't even need this hit flash thing here as well. It could just be that. Get rid of that, because it just saves it off the bat at the start. Sweet. Ready. Let's copy that. Gnome. Mushroom man. No. There we go. Mimic. Gnome. There we go. So still, yep. Ooh. Crosshair is... This is going to be really annoying, but I'm going to actually have to slightly offset that. These dudes are... I don't know what it is. I really like how the balls just travel around like that, and they got that like little shadow. I think I moved the crosshair a little too much. I might just move it back a smidge. There we go. It's not in the middle of the screen, but oh well. And yeah, this dude can't... He can't do nothing. Oh, it's kind of like a Doom thing. You can't look up and down, but the bullets have like a really tall collision, so you can jump up and just shoot and it'll still hit. Well, not super high. The collision isn't like infinitely high. And the stamina as well. If you are running around and then you stop, it recharges pretty quickly, and you can start it back up at any point. But if you run out of stamina, it turns grey and it recharges slower, and you can't run while it's grey until it's fully charged. So you know you got to be on your toes. And you saw the gnomes; those things, they bolt. So you know if you're out of stamina, you're screwed. It's really annoying to watch it wait, but oh well. There you go. And now I can start up again, and yeah. There's also a double jump that I've added, but that's like that's one of the upgrades. Is like gain an extra jump. I think I might do that now. Yeah, what part? What am I doing now? Actually, it's time to get cooking, I think. Short little stream. Why not? I'm going to end it here. Yeah.